Couple 99s. Let's go, boys. Remember the other day when we did this for E4, the single diner? All right. Let's go into the first.
Start the soup is fine.
Say it again.
You start the soup is fine.
Let me just make sure that this wine's not corked, and you should be fine. Cork looks great. Oh yeah. Oh. Smell it all the way. Smell it already. Love it. Can you do me a favor?
No.
Perfect.
Yeah, what do you need?
Can you? The wine's good.
Let's
Yeah, he wanted to fire it already.
He already fired it. He's not waiting for you.
I just wanted to make sure. It's very oaky, but it does smell good. So that's what I'm looking for. That's the style they want.
Dude, I remember opening it.
He said, I don't know anything about wine, but I just know silver oak. I was like, okay.
Well, hey, at least he was able to, understand that older is better. Like, I don't think he knew what he was trying to get into, but the fact that he was okay with a recommendation of, what I thought would pair best with the food. Like, I would love something a little older. I said, okay, perfect. They're very nice.
Yeah, see, that's great.
Yeah, and taking a recommendation is I love it.
Communication is key.
Yeah.
It's coming, it's coming, it's coming.
C'est pas possible d'avoir parlé, man.
99, no? At least it's not current vintage.
Well, that's what they have at Walmart.
Yeah, that's a vintage you carry at CVS right now, too.
That's right. Wow. Corks are great, dude. I love it. I mean, at least if they're going to drink it, it's going to be older.
Is that from the patio?
Yeah. This is beautiful, dude. Yeah, but really nice nose. Like, really nice nose. Yeah, gorgeous, man. Love it. Thank you. No, man, I mean, the oak spices are there, but it's really soft and supple. So obviously it has that oak influence and chocolatey note, but it's really nice.